I think you bring up something that we don't talk about enough. And it
Mhm.
really is how valuable that person, that first point of contact person is. We've just hired them and put them in the front to schedule, answer the phones. We
Mhm.
haven't taught them the skills of, in a way, human relations,
Yeah.
how to read the nonverbals, how to
Mhm.
read people, and how to not only read it, but how do you respond, and
Mhm.
what kind of decision at that time, based on that individual, whether it's on the phone or in person.
Yeah.
We haven't taught that skill. They are some of the most important parts of our business. We can have AI answer our phones. We can have
Yeah.
AI schedule,
Yeah.
but AI does not have the discernment, body
Mhm.
language, tone, facial expression, those things.
Mhm.
And we have to set that as a priority in order to help drive the connection of the business.